Hello PC enthusiasts, my name is Anna and today we have a special treat for you. It's really to die for. We'll take a dive into the EK-Nucleus AIO CR360 Direct Die Cooler, an all-in-one CPU liquid cooling solution explicitly designed for direct die cooling. It's perfect for those who want to squeeze every bit of power out of their CPU, but do it in a closed-loop setting with zero maintenance. This unique AIO brings the advantages of direct die cooling to more PC enthusiasts since Delidding was mainly reserved for custom-loop liquid cooling applications. It no longer requires a complete custom loop setup, which means our latest AIO is enabling more budget-friendly direct die cooling and is finally bringing it to the mainstream market. A massive shout out to Der Bauer, the master overclocker and pioneer in extreme CPU cooling, who helped us co-develop the key elements of the new AIO, including the backplate and the die guard. Be sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting and helpful content. If you're a direct die cooling expert who has been deleting CPUs before it was cool, you know this is a first-of-its-kind AIO product that many PC enthusiasts were waiting for. And not only does it excel at direct die CPU cooling, but it also looks pretty badass. It involves deleting the CPU, aka removing the integrated heat spreader IHS from the processor. This improves thermal conductivity, reduces overall temperatures, and enables less thermal difference between CPU cores, enabling more effective overclocking. We highly recommend checking out our video guide for the deleting process, as well as getting our deleting tool to make sure you're properly equipped for the task. Both links are available in the description. Now, let's take a look at the key features of the new EK-Nucleus AIO CR360 Direct Die DRGB 1700. This trailblazing Direct Die AIO product resembles the acclaimed 360mm Lux model in many ways. But since it's expertly designed for direct die cooling, it is first of its kind due to its unique application. This is why it features an innovative pump block combo that distinguishes itself with a custom-designed cold plate, exclusively engineered for cooling deleted Intel LGA 1700 socket CPUs. A pack of Thermal Grizzly conduct turnout is also included in the package. This Direct Die AIO will appeal to customers looking to light up their PCs with the help of RGB lighting featured in the fans. Since customers deleting their CPUs demand high-performance cooling, only the largest 360mm version is available for this AIO. Two unique pump block covers are included with this product. The default one has a brushed aluminum skull with an elegant circle of LED lighting that shines through and gives it an edgy but mature look. The alternative brushed aluminum cover also features an LED circle but offers a more minimalistic appearance. The circular design of the pump unit is not just to pump up the aesthetics. The top allows users to reorient the EK badge to follow the direction in which the cooler is installed. The logo orientation can be rotated in 90-degree increments. Users can remove the top and position the logo how they see fit, allowing them to always achieve clean and aligned aesthetics regardless of the angle at which the AIO cooler or the motherboard is installed. The EK-Nucleus AIO comes pre-installed with reinforced and sleeved rubber tubing featuring finer threads, each fitted with an aluminum cover to ensure ultra durability. Improved fitting positioning allows for easy installation and adjustment of the rubber tubing, making the new EK-Nucleus AIO suitable even for the tightest spaces. A radiator cover has been added to enhance the overall aesthetics of the CPU cooler and more clearly showcase its clean lines and sleek design. The AIO features EK-Loop FPT high static pressure fans designed and built primarily for the highest performance computer liquid cooling systems. FPT fans feature a full frame design that prevents air from escaping outside the frame, thus achieving better static pressure. To reduce cable clutter and the number of headers needed for use on the motherboard or fan controller, FPT fans allow daisy chaining through EK OmniLink technology. The diamond-cut brushed aluminum side panels with a shiny alloy finish nicely round up the AIO's slick aesthetics. A contact frame comes in the package. It prevents warping or bending of the CPU and the surrounding area, improving cooling efficiency due to more even pressure applied on the CPU. A protective foam piece is also included to ensure liquid metal doesn't spill over electrical components outside the CPU die. The EK-Nucleus AIO CR360 Direct Die Cooler is the first of its kind all-in-one CPU liquid cooling solution explicitly designed for direct die cooling. It truly is a cooler to die for, and it's an excellent addition to the already acclaimed and highly praised EK-Nucleus Lux series, so you know your CPU is getting a top-of-the-line cooling product that is easy to install and requires zero maintenance. That's it for today. Until next time, stay cool. Direct Die cool.